So this is my little tutorial for my version of Poncho and Lefty. I do drop D, right? So take the E string down to D. And then you kind of have that droning D thing. And you know, B string sliding it up. So now you're that's the only tricky part, is having to remember that G is now up one. This is cool, so now you can go. Right, so that's the benefit of the drop D, is because this open chord basically it's just a technique, you know, like, I mean, if you know how the major scale looks up and down the neck, now you've just got to figure out the melody line, you know. Living on the road, my friend. Gonna keep you free and clean. That's just that B minor, A, G, D, and those are all the chords. But yeah, I would just suggest trying that version out. But you know, if you're not a super finger-styled guy, you just have to. That's what my guitar teacher taught me. Is da-do-do-do-do. Once you get that bass thumb thing going, now you can maintain that rhythm, right? So that's the kind of finger picker you want to be, is somebody that has rhythm that they can rely on to do whatever they want. And then so it's just a cool technique. Give it a shot.